trying to figure out what to do. I'm running the camera here right now with just the camera audio, but I've been toying with the idea of just using this 360 camera, and what I'm doing is an editing test. So I want to be able to bring this footage into Davinci Resolve and do some editing with that. I don't really care for the software that comes with the Insta360. I mean, it's okay, but it's not my full-on editing software. So I'm going to shoot a little bit of footage here, and then also I got some other footage in a couple places. I got some driving footage the other end, and I may want to slip in some RV test footage. I got some ideas on how to set this camera up inside the RV. So that's what this is me doing some editing, out walking Pearl. Pearl's out walking me. I got some new signs here in the park that she's wanting to read.
Well,
or she'll come back. Way. Yep, she'll come back and read them later. But,
one day.
Just one day. So, yep, we're going to go through the park here a little bit, and I'll cut in and out here a few times. And there's a shady area up here. I wouldn't mind seeing how this does up there.
In the shade.
In the shade, like right here I'm in the shade. I'm going to go from shade to sun.
See how all that works.
Yep, see how that all transitions out. I don't think it'll be too much extra step. I have to export it out of the camera software into a MP4, 360 MP4 file, and then Davinci Resolve can take that, and I can do all kinds of cool stuff with it in Resolve. Stop recording.
Yeah, there's a tree. There's two right there. And I think they took something out up here. And then I think over here you can see kind of where, yeah, they've been busy this year. Here I thought it was going to be a quiet summer here at the park.
Yeah, and we're not getting no fall leaves here this year.
No, it's so dry.
It's coming into, it'll be the 1st of August here in a couple days.
You mean 1st of October.
Thank you.
Yeah,
1st of October.
Yeah, it's the end of
See?
September.
That's what I need you for, to keep me straight.
Keep you straight.
That's right.
Yeah.
But as you can see around, it's just, they're just kind of no color.
There's no color.
Leaves are just dropping.
Yeah.
Kind of got a burnt look.
Yeah, even the pine trees are not looking so great.
No, it's...
I'm going to go this outside.
Okay, we're taking the outside.
To get some steps. Yeah, this is very shaded from here.
Yes.
Except we can have a brief sunny area there.
So anyways, I don't know how this is going to work out. I'm trying to simplify my camera shooting experience. I like to get one camera to do everything. Wouldn't that be nice?
Oh, that would be nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Just easier.
Just some fool walking around with a stick. But
stay out of his way.
Stay out of my way.
Get whacked.
Get whacked.
Well, the way you spit it sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah, she's talking about the bullet time shots.
Yeah. And it gets kind of long.
Mm-hmm. Well, this is a short stick.
Yeah. But when we were on Klingman's Dome, we had it out
I had the big stick. Yeah, I got a 3-meter selfie stick, and that thing is cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll use some of that. I'll bring in some of that footage into this editing. Thank you, hon.
You're welcome.
Yeah. I'll bring in some of that footage to edit. Now when we're running the mics, so you'll have better audio than today. everybody. Hope you enjoyed Mingo Falls. Our little spot here, we also have Pokemon here, and we're having some Pokemon discussions.
There's some kind of a raid day.
Yeah, so we're trying to.
I think I'm going to miss it all.
Somebody's wanting to do a raid. But, yeah, nice here. We got a nice little Veterans Memorial over here.
Yeah.
Had a nice ceremony.
They did a good job on the ceremony.
On Memorial Day. Actually attended this year.
Yeah, you were able to.
Uh-huh.
I knew you'd like it.
Yeah, me and a bunch of other vets started chit-chatting.
Yeah.
And a couple guys that were in the Signal Corps like I was. I had my Signal Corps hat on.
Yeah. Alright, well, should I just go in
Alright.
and see?
Okay, I got Pokemon to do. I still think that'd be great for the side of our hill.
Yeah. I think so.
Yep.
And then we have butterflies and bees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got some areas we don't want to mow. We're thinking of doing something like that on
A
it.
hill. It's like a
Yeah.
hill. It's not a fun hill to run.
So I want to put some footage in. We ate at a restaurant. So there'll be some inside footage with this thing when we were in Canada. So I'll give us an idea of lower light, how that looks with this camera.
Yeah.
So that'll be mixed in here too.
Yep.
We're having. You want to try that?
LaGuardia.
LaGuardia, Italian cuisine and pizzeria. Ooh, we said it in unison. Ooh.
Jinx on you.
Oh.
All
All right.
right here.
There's the menu. Pause it if you want it. All right, let's head on in. You want me to go first?
Fine. Hi.
Hello. Two. Oh, nice.
Yeah, I think we're underdressed.
No, we're not.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Let me come around your way.
I wonder if I
Got the
could.
pillar. Okay, stop recording. Yeah.
Ooh,
Just missed that.
yeah.
Some of the monkey balls are falling. Monkey brains?
Yeah, that's
What we
nickname.
That's what we
That's
nickname
the
them in the
nickname.
area.
I forget. I don't know how you pronounce the actual name of Father or something.
I'm also going to, Pearl's really enthused about hearing about this, but I'm also going to try to do this project in 4K. So, I don't know. We're going this way? Okay,
Yeah.
we're going this way. Somebody wants her steps.
Well, we always go this way, and then we go out over there.
Okay. We have very predatory wildlife here. You think?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Too bad it wasn't a chipmunk.
Yeah, no ducks.
Huh?
No
Yeah.
ducks today.
Oh, the ducks are at the pond over there.
Okay.
I don't know if they're gonna be over here or not.
I don't
Because
know.
they have those weeds, which
Weeds.
is good. They like the weeds are good because with the babies they can get up in those weeds and hide from the, they're good.
Yeah. I wonder how this did, because I just had the sun shining down on this. So I'm curious how the sun's
See
gonna,
how that
how
does.
that's gonna do. It's kind of shining through here and there.
Mhm.
There's the beautiful Pearl over there. She's going to be following us. And as you can see, I'm pulling out of the RV clinic. Just spent some money getting a few things done on the rig. Could I have done some of it myself? Yes. Did I choose to do it myself? No. Maybe as I get older, I might do some more of this work. But right now, I can take and have it done, so I'll get it done right. Done here. While we're here at the light waiting, what I'm doing is I'm getting some test footage, toying with the idea of going down from a GoPro up front and a GoPro on the inside to just this 360 camera. So I'm kind of curious how this is going to look. I'm also, as you seen in this video, I'm doing an editing test to see how well this edits in Davinci Resolve. I guess I can go ahead and go. There's nobody coming. And yeah, Pearl should be behind me though. Anyways, I want to see how this is to edit and stuff. So I need some driving footage in the RV to see how it works. Pearl's not here, but her little buddies are standing in for her as we're driving along here. So anyways, yeah, driving back, RV clinic, excellent place to take your RV to get it worked on. I took it in and I had them, they replaced the slide topper I destroyed, replaced the fabric on the back one, the window over here, the passenger window, there's a leak down by the, well, that's where the water ends up going, but there's a leak over there. So they went and fixed all that, pulled the window out, redone it, put it back in. And then I had them look at the roof, and they went ahead and did some seal work on the front and rear seams. I guess that was what needed done. And done a couple roof vents, so should be set for a little bit. I could have done the roof work myself, but there was a little miscommunication. They ended up doing it. And the truth is, I didn't want to go up there. So it's done, it's did, so I'm okay with that. I got some more roof work I'll do down the road here. I get some time. Alright, we got a whole bunch of hay here. Also be kind of curious, I got the main generator running, I got both AC units running, I got the floor fan down here going. So I'll be curious what the audio is like on this, because I didn't bring the mics, because this is more of a, I know the audio works great with the wireless mics and the mic adapter that comes with this, but I wanted to see how, again, back to, I wanted to see how this will do if I say, hey, look over there, you know, out the side window, what kind of view are we going to get off that? Got some ideas. I just want to see how hard it is going to be to do the editing. It's going to be more trouble than it's worth, because I hate to find out 3 years from now that, that's how far I'm behind on my videos, that I shot a bunch of stuff that's going to be a pain in the patootie to edit. So we have a few tests done here and there. I'll probably still go with front camera, because this one's got the seam kind of like how you get nothing. So I'll probably still go with 2 cameras, but this will give me the option of